Hi everyone, this is Sunny Kumar from IIT BHU and welcome to my channel Code with Sunny. And today I'm going to discuss the problem K goodness string of Google Kickstart round A 2021. So let's discuss the problem now. So in this problem, basically we have given a string S and and an integer K, and we need to find out the minimum number of operations required to transform the given string into a string with a goodness score exactly equal to K. Note the word exactly equal to K. So what is the goodness score defined here? So the goodness score defined here is number of indices I such that S of I is not equal to S of n minus I plus 1. That is, ith character from the start is not matching with the ith character from the end, where I is varying up to n by 2. Okay, so where n is the length of the string. So what is the minimum number of operations we need to transform, we need to do to convert the our given string into a string with a goodness score exactly equal to K. So what type of operations can we perform? You can see here in one operation, Ada can change any character in the string to any uppercase letter. That is, the Ada can transform any character to any other character as she wish. Okay. So what is the minimum number of operations to transform the given string into a string with a goodness score equal to K? So we need to print that for every test case. Okay. So let's discuss the problem and analyze it, how we can approach the answers. So let's move further. So let me open my paint 3D. Okay. So you can see, let's write down a general string S, which consists of characters like S1, S2, S3, and let's say S4 also, let's say S5. Okay. So we need to find what are the number of indices such that S of I is exactly not matching with S of n minus I plus 1. That is this and this we need to check, and again we need to check this and this, and this is also always matching for odd or for odd n, that is odd string length. Okay, so we need to check, so what is the maximum answer possible here, that is maximum goodness score possible is just simply n by 2. Okay, now we need to check what is the number of valid indices I that is not matching with the ith character from the start, not matching with the ith character from the end. That is s of I not equal to s of n minus I plus 1. So let's say it the count, that is count denotes number of indices I such that s of I is not matching with the s of n minus I plus 1. Okay. So let's assume and let's have calculated the by iterating up to n by 2 and calculate the number of indices I which are not matching with s of n minus I plus 1, that is ith character from the start not matching with ith character from the end. So if let's say it is denoted by count, and we so this is my current goodness score of the string, and we need to have the goodness score of K. So in one operation we can either convert any character to any other character. Now the three conditions lies, that is count is exactly equal to K. Then in this case our answer would be 0 as simply. And what if count is less than K? If count is less than K, I need to convert some characters, that is change some characters such that count reaches K. So my answer would be simply K minus count. So because we need to convert any K minus count characters, any amount of any type of K minus count characters, either the ith character from the start, we need to convert this K minus count characters so that my count variable reaches up to K. Okay, and my another case would be like count should be greater than K. In this case also we need to decrease the amount count, so I need to have again count minus K operations to be done. Okay, so overall you can say our answer, if I have calculated the if I calculated the variable count, that is number of indices I less than n by 2 such that s of I is not matching with s of I minus I plus 1, our answer will be simply absolute value of K minus count. Okay, so this should be our answer. So let's check it out with the help of example. Let us say I have ABC. So let me write A, B, C, A and A. In this case I have a value k equal to 1. Okay, so you can check if I need to calculate the variable count, this A is matching with this A, so I'm not going to increment my count variable, and this B is not matching with this A, so and my iteration stops here, so my count is going to be 1, which is matching with this K. So our answer in this case will be absolute value of count minus K, which is 0. And again you can see, let's move on to the next example, that is AB double A. So let me write down here. Okay, so I have a string A, B and A and again A, and in this case I have K equal to 2. Okay, so K is 2 here. Okay, so let me denote it. Let me find out the count, that is A is matching with A, so I have count equal to 1 now. And again if we can check out, is this B matching with this A? No. So again I have found, sorry, I think, oh sorry, okay, this A is matching with this A, so my count is 0 here, and this B is not matching with this A, so my count becomes 1 finally. Okay, so I need to, but count is less than K because K is 2, so I need to change one character so that count becomes K. So I'm going to change my this first character A to any other character, let's say B. So again this B is not matching with the this A, that is first character is not matching with the last character, so my count becomes 2. So our answer in this case will also be absolute value of K minus count, that is again 1, you can see, which is the valid answer. Okay, so this is what I need to do here. So let's move on to the code. You can see I have taken the n and k and then string s, and I have maintained the count variable, and I iterated up to n by 2, that if s of I is not equal to s of n minus I minus 1, I'm going to increment my count variable and finally return absolute value of k minus count, which is the minimum number of operations to transform our given string s with a current goodness score equal to count to the final goodness score equal to k, which is our answer will be absolute value of k minus count simply. So let's copy this code, and okay, so I need to submit it here. Okay, 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 so I think something's fine. Okay, so let me submit this one. Okay, so pending judgment. In the contest I have submitted two, but that I have two wrong answers here, you can see. Okay, so let's check it out. Yes, it is fine. So if you have any doubts, do not forget to mention in the comment section of the video, and I will ask the viewers to like this video, share this video, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you for watching this video.